Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to be doing a stabilizer bar link replacement on the 2012 Nissan Maxima. So alright, you're going to need a 19 mil wrench for the back side, and then you are going to use an 18 in the front. Alright, same thing for the bottom, but in reverse. 19 on the back side and then 18 in the front. My impact's too big for the bottom, so I'm gonna use a breaker bar with an 18 mil. Alright, throw one out. So I'm gonna put the bottom nut in. Alright, now we're going to jack up the lower control arm. You're going to have the jack right in this section, the rounded portion. And we're going to jack it up until the stabilizer bar link lines up properly. Alright, now we'll put the other nut in. Just want to jack it up until the top portion of the stabilizer bar link goes directly through. Alright, going to tighten the bottom now. Alright, and finally the driver's side is done. So I got everything done. The only thing I didn't do is the tie rod and all the tie rod ends. Those are still in good shape. So whenever those start cracking or whatever, I'll sit there and replace those. So those two I didn't need, but everything else is pretty much done. Plus my phone was running out of memory. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.